Okay, this track doubles back on itself, so we're going to follow the white arrows out, and then halfway through we're going to transition to the yellow arrows, and we're going to follow those back. There's an optional turn in the middle where you can go clockwise or counterclockwise. For this example, chosen to go clockwise. You can go either direction. Nice and slow through this section, keep it tight. Heavy braking here, very important to keep it tight. So you can see this gate we're going through now. Look for the two laid down. Nice and tight up against those. Look for your exit. Slow and tight here. And now we're heading towards the finish. Heavy braking at the finish. Time has already stopped. Just be careful not to hit any cones.